3, 2, 1.
An alphabet is a standardized set of letters or the basic written symbols of a language. How many official alphabetic writing systems are used in the European Union? The answer is C, 3. In which of the parts that Tolkien originally divided the book in do Aragorn, Gimli, and Legolas decide to go after Merry and Pippin in the Two Towers? The answer is A, first. Organisms that love acids are known as what? The answer is A, acidophiles. In the movie Up in Smoke, what type of vehicle do Cheech and Chong drive across the Mexican border into America? The answer is A, a delivery truck. Who is known as the father of Impressionism? The answer is B, Claude Monet. The plot of the movie The Da Vinci Code revolves around the Priory of Sion, a European secret society founded in 1099. Which of these people is not mentioned as a member of that organization? The answer is B, Bezufash. Who played Mindy's father in Mork and Mindy? The answer is D, Conrad Janis. What does the kinetic molecular theory describe the behavior of? The answer is C, an ideal gas. Charlie Chaplin died on Christmas Day, 1977 in which Swiss city? The answer is B, Vevey. What is a large, upholstered chair with arms called? The answer is C, armchair. Where in the periodic table of elements are the nonmetals located? The answer is B, top right. What are the main animals used in a rodeo? The answer is B, horses and cattle. Which of these time zones has the most hours difference from UTC? The answer is A, Pacific time. The density of bone is, in part, related to the amount of what mineral in one's diet? The answer is B, calcium. The DB gene encodes the which receptor? The answer is D, leptin. What notorious English pirate was reported to have lit matches woven into his black beard to intimidate his enemies during battle? The answer is A, Edward Teach. Which molecule stores and transports energy within cells? The answer is D, AT. What is a traditional Scottish attire for men? The answer is A, kilt. In dioecious animals, females generally produce what contribution to reproduction? The answer is C, eggs. Which mountain has the most glacier ice outside of the polar caps? The answer is B. Denali. What is a leap second used for? The answer is B. To adjust computer system clocks. Which of the following tests would be appropriate to confirm the diagnosis of B12 deficiency in a patient whose B12 level is at the low end of the normal range? The answer is A. Methylmalonic acid level. The proteins in dead organisms as well as in body wastes are converted into ammonia by bacteria and fungi. Into what useful product do other bacteria convert this ammonia? The answer is C. Nitrates. What sleazy TV show did Brenda do an interview for in Season 3 of Beverly Hills 90210 that led to the gang being mad at her? The answer is C. The Backstory. I have a voice that shakes the world, yet I cannot speak. Who am I? The answer is C. Louis Armstrong. Bacteria break down the remains of digested food through a process called what? The answer is B. Fermentation. What company produces and distributes the citrus-flavored soft drink Mellow Yellow? The answer is D. Coca-Cola. Which artist is known for his pop art? The answer is A. Andy Warhol. What type of cell has a singular chromosome, no nucleus, and few other organelles? The answer is C. Prokaryotic. What causes oxides to decompose? The answer is B. Heat. What is the capital and largest city of CIR Central African Republic? The answer is C. Bangui. What is hydrogen peroxide used for? The answer is B. As a bleach. How many children did Michael Douglas have prior to 1999? The answer is C. 1. In the cartoon Orgy Doggy and Doggy Daddy, Dobby Daddy spoke like what entertainer? The answer is D. Jimmy Durante. In what famous math problem, first posed in the 18th century by a French mathematician, is pi involved? The answer is A. Buffin's needle problem. What movie title was translated into Chinese as This Hit Man Is Not As Cold As He Thought? The answer is A. Leon, the Professional. The diversity of alleles and genotypes within a population is known as genetic what? The answer is D. Variance. Which one of these Australian reptiles is the largest living crocodile in the world? The answer is A. The saltwater crocodile. What Hollywood actor did Leonardo DiCaprio befriend in 1990? The answer is A. Tobey Maguire. Which one of the following is famous for running a school for mimes in New York City? The answer is A. Greg Goldston. A constant and plentiful supply of oxygen is required in order to maintain a high rate of what? The answer is C. Metabolism. What is a device for opening bottle caps? The answer is B. Corkscrew. Which of these architects designed St. Peter's Basilica in Rome? The answer is D. Carlo Marchini. Who wrote and performed a song featuring the lyrics, "I just want your extra time and your kiss"? The answer is B. Prince. Because sound waves must move through a medium, there are no sound waves in a what? The answer is C. Vacuum. What is the equation of a horizontal line passing through point 34? The answer is C. X equals 3. Which one is a type of ruler used for measuring and drawing angles? The answer is A. Protractor. Mendel's observation of pea plants also included many crosses that involved multiple traits, which prompted him to formulate the principle of this. The answer is C. Independent assortment. The first automobile to be driven in outer space was the lunar rover. In which mission did it take place? The answer is C. Apollo 17. What was the name of the evil cat in Disney's version of Cinderella?